What is a CNC machine? A CNC computer numerical control machine is a computer control tool used in manufacturing to automate the machining process. Unlike manual machining, which are controlled by hand, CNC machines follow programmed instruction called G-code to precisely cut, shape, or finish materials like metal, plastic, or even wood. How does CNC machining work? The CNC machining process involves several steps. Design. Create a 3D model using the CAD software like SolidWorks, AutoCAD. Programming. Convert the CAD design into the G code using CAM software. Setup. Load the G code into the CNC machine, secure the workpiece, and install tools. Execution. The CNC machine executes the program autonomously, cutting and shaping material layer by layer. Where is CNC machining used? CNC machining is used in industry that require high precision, repeatability, and complex geometry, like aerospace, turbine blades, engine component. In automotive, like engine blocks, custom car parts. In medical, like implants and surgical tools. In consumer electronics, like smartphone casing, circuit board. Different axes in CNC machining. CNC machine can have various number of axes, which determines the complexity of machining operation. Like 3-axis machining. It moves along X, Y, and Z axis. It's used for basing, cutting, and drilling operation. 4-axis machining adds rotation around the x-axis for angle cutting. 5-axis machining adds rotation around both x and y axis, allowing the creation of complex geometries and intricate parts. Advantages of CNC over manual machining. Advantage of CNC machines include precision. CNC machine offer tolerance as tight as plus minus 0.001 inches, whereas manual machining typically achieves plus minus 0.01 inches. Speed. CNC machine can operate continuously, making them much faster for mass production. Complexity. CNC machine can handle intricate designs and multi-axis machining that manual machines cannot. Consistency. CNC machine ensures that parts are identical every time. Safety. Operator can manage CNC machine remotely, reducing the risk of injury. Popular manufacturers of CNC machine. Some of the leading CNC machine manufacturers include HowItsMade, USA, known for high-quality CNC machines including mills and lathes. DMG Mori, German and Japanese-based manufacturer, a global leader offering a wide range of CNC machines. Mazak, Japan, specialized in multi-axis CNC machine and automation solution. Hurko, USA, offer user-friendly CNC machine either for both small shops and large manufacturers. Fano, Japan, known for CNC controllers and automation technologies. Key differences between CNC and manual machining. CNC and manual machining differs in several key ways, like control, computer-driven G-code, manual machining, human-operated hand wheels, skill required, programming and CAM expertise, manual machining, hands-on machining experience, volume, CNC machining, ideal for mass production, manual machining, suited for small batches or repairs. Flexibility. Changes require reprogramming. Manual. Quick adjustment can be made.